Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to completely delete the Battle.net app from your computer, step by step. First, start by closing the Battle.net app if it's running. Now, let's uninstall the app. Click on the Start button or press the Windows key on your keyboard. Then type Add or Remove Programs and press Enter. This will open the list of all installed applications on your computer. In the search bar, type Battle.net. When it appears in the list, click on it once. Then click on the Uninstall button. A new window will pop up. Click Uninstall again to confirm. Wait a few moments while Windows removes the app. Once it's done, Battle.net is no longer installed, but there are still some leftover files on your system. We'll delete those next. Now press the Windows key and the R key on your keyboard at the same time. This will open the Run box. In the box, type %local app data % and then press Enter. A new folder will open. This is the local app data folder. Look through the list of folders and find one named Battle.net. Right-click on it and choose Delete. If you also see a folder named Blizzard Entertainment, you can delete that too. These folders contain settings and temporary files that are no longer needed. After that, close the folder window. That's it. You've now fully removed the Battle.net app and its leftover files from your computer. Thanks for watching.